day it is. It's your girl Chelsea Afia. And today I am back with the makeup tutorial. Yes. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh. Like, I haven't done a full blonde braids hairstyle in a hot minute. And I even went lighter since I've done blonde. Literally my senior year of high school, that's what I did. Blonde. I'll even post a picture right here. Probably not because I looked jacked, but the hair was good, you know. I just needed to have a little glow up. I can't find my mirror. Oh my god. But yeah, today we're just going to do this fiery orange red type of halo eye. And this is the easiest way to do a perfect halo eye. Like, look at that. Like, you know, as I play around with different eyeshadows and eye techniques, I came out with these and I absolutely love it. Like, let me tell you something. I haven't done my makeup in literally almost 2 weeks, okay? So I am so happy of the outcome right now and how I look. Like, it's different when, you know, since I've been working at a cosmetic store as a makeup artist now, it's different when someone else does your makeup and when you do your makeup, especially when you got that new hairdo. So I am feeling myself to the core right now. Like, I haven't done my hair. I haven't done my makeup on myself or my hair. So this is the first time. And girl, like, I'm about to take 1,000 pictures right now, literally. But let's just get with the tutorial. You already know. Gee. Someone help me, please. I'm too giddy. Alright, so of course I did one eye off camera. This is how the look looks. And also prime my eye, my left eye, of course, because, you know, I just wanted to save more time a little bit. So we're gonna go in with the Morphe 35O. For my transition, I'm just using this pale type of orange shade, peachy shade, whatever you want to call it, with my AOA E121 brush, which is, you can't get it at the Shop Miss A website anymore, sadly, but I still love to use it because it's a really good brush. For a dweller, it's a really good brush. And of course, as I am patting the eyeshadow onto my crease area, I am going into a circular motion because that's how I like to start with my halo eye. So I'm just gonna show you a new technique that I have been doing with halo eyes. And plus, you know, even though I did a halo eye in my last video, I still want to practice with it because, you know, you just never know. You just never know. Now I'm jumping to the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, of course, and I'm grabbing this more of a red orange shade. And this is the swatter of the halo technique transition. You already know. So usually you just like pat the color on the inner corner and pat the color in the outer corner. But I'm gonna start at the outer corner, pat, and swoosh it left and right from outer corner to inner corner with this circular motion. So basically the same thing that we just did with the transition, we're gonna do it with this shadow. It's going to come out so great. Like, look at this, okay? Like, and you know, my left eye is always my good eye when it comes to shadow, so it's gonna come out great, okay? Like, Tony the Tiger great. And if I didn't mention, I'm using my Cara K18 brush. It's a kind of like the same concept of that AOA brush, but it's just more smaller and compact. You already know. And of course, you want to go back to that same blending brush, that first one. If you need a little bit of product, you already know. I'm just gonna grab a little bit and just continue to feather out the crease, make it seamless. You already know. I'm still gonna use the same brush for this shade right here. It's like a red brown. I absolutely love this shade. Like mixing it with the orange, girl. It's like sent from heaven. Stupid plane. No. But anyways, this one we're gonna go a little lower than the orange shade, the second shade that we went. And we're still gonna use that technique, but use a very light hand so you can still see the orange popping through, and also of course pack the color on. So yeah, if you have more smaller eyes than me, go with a smaller a more smaller brush like this. You already know there's brushes for everything, different shapes and sizes. So if you have that type of brush, then you already know. Still use that. Oh, wow. I'm gonna go back with that orange shade. Just swoosh it a little bit to my crease. You already know. I keep on saying you already know, like, shit. I have one more shadow to put on the inner and outer corner, but I want to start cutting the crease, so you already know. Well, not really cutting the crease, like cutting the center lid. I always say crease, but it's center lid. Specifically for halo eye. So yeah, just grab your concealer, grab your favorite Quavin out crease brush. I'm gonna start on the top like so. Usually I'll just like swipe down and then meet my way to the top, but I'm trying to do a little something different. So after I carved out the top, that's why I'll start swiping it down, and I'll put my brush to the side and feather the concealer out. I'm trying to do that effect of the halo eye looking like you know, like that cloud type of storm effect. Okay, trying to be like Instagram. I'm trying to be like Instagram. I guess it might look a little jagged right now, but once we apply that lid shade, it's gonna come all together. I have to stop talking like that, oh my gosh. Alrighty, so for the lid shade, I'm gonna use this shade right here. You already know Jaclyn did her thing with this shade. I absolutely love the shade. Spray my brush. And apply her on. Okay, back to working with the inner and outer corner. I'm grabbing my favorite crease brush, K33, and I'm gonna just slightly use these brown shades just to deepen up the outer corner. If you are more of a lighter complexion, you can definitely skip this step. Or if you're just satisfied with the look already, you don't want to deepen it up, then you don't have to. So I'm just gonna place it on the outermost outer corner and the innermost inner corner. This one, you can't really, you know, do that technique that I just showed you because everything's already placed. You don't want to mess things up. And of course, light hand is key. Then of course, going back on my K18 with that red brown shade to just clean up the surface. And as I am cleaning up the surface, that's when I will slowly brush the shadow into the halo eye. So that's how you get that blended effect right here. And of course, grabbing my itty bitty little crease brush, the K39 from Cora. I I'm gonna use that orange to just make everything powy. What? This is the star of the show, my guy. Ooh, child, that was good. Alright. So, glitter twine. I'm gonna use this bulk glitter, aka glittermyworld.com. Fireheart Rise on the lid. And for a glitter adhesive, I'm gonna use my NYX glitter glue. Yes, or glitter primer. So I'm just placing it on the most center of the halo white, and then grabbing my glitter and patting it. So I'm gonna do my wing liner off camera and also apply lashes. I'm gonna use my D318 from Dodo Lashes. You already know. All right, back to the eyes. I'm going to use this shade, and these two shades you already know. I'm not really gonna do anything too crazy with the lower lash line. I want the top, you know, to really be the main event. So let's just go in. To finish off with the eyes, I'm gonna use my Telescopic for mascara. All right, highlighter time. I'm going back to an oldie but a goodie 808 Studio One Big highlighter in the color shade Bubbly. Yo, this was my genre. Absolutely love this highlighter. I totally forgot how good it was ever since I got like Wet n Wild and Maybelline highlighters. But like, we're gonna use her today. It just is so freaking buttery. I don't understand. And it's only for $1. Like, I don't understand that either. Like, it makes no sense how people just like to waste money on a what $40 highlighter, that Dior highlighter, while you can just go to Shop Miss A, grab you a $1 highlighter, and you're set. Like, you're literally set. Alrighty, so time for lips. Yes, I went honey blonde on you guys. You already know. I haven't done blonde probably like in almost 2 years, probably. Yeah, I think it's been 2 or 3. It's been a long time because I always do like dark colors and reds. I don't know. I was just feeling that type of vibe, but I don't know. Once I saw this blonde color on my sister. Yes, I'm a copycat, but we're twins, okay? So get at me. I was like, I'm gonna try it too. Like, I have a little bit of brown at the bottom, but my mom finessed it. You already know. Once she braided this, it was over. So I want to mix these colors right here. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but it will. I'm gonna use my Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Peanut, and my LA Colors matte liquid lip color in the shade Feisty. This lip literally looks like it was made for this hair color, like on God. I don't even know if I want to apply the red. This will make or break the look, so let's go with her just a little bit, because I'm always doing Peanut. Like, I want to change it up a little bit, you know? No, not bad. Hold it. Oh wow, brings it like a different type of vibe. It goes with the orange. I actually like it. Okay. That's nice. I like it. Oh my gosh. I look so good. Like, I haven't felt like this in a long time. Like, it's been a while since I did my makeup on myself. Oh gosh. It's okay, we're done. We're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow all my social medias. That'll be down in the description. Yes. But you already know what type of day it is. It's your girl Chelsea Afia. Peace.